Here's problem 3 from the 2016 AMC 8. 4 students take an exam. 3 of their scores are 70, 80, and 90. If the average of their 4 scores is 70, then what is the remaining score? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The average of the 4 scores is 70. Since average equals total divided by the number of scores, the total of all 4 scores must be 4 times 70, which is 280. Now let's add up the 3 scores we already know. 70 plus 80 plus 90 equals 240. The remaining score is the total minus the sum of the known scores. 280 minus 240 equals 40. So the remaining score is 40, which is choice A.